So there we are, our chive and garlic spread. How easy is that? Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are doing a spread, another spread. We are doing chives and garlic spread. Absolutely fantastic, really tasty. Okay, so let's just crack on. It's so quick. Cream cheese. Whiz up your cream cheese. Now there's really not much to this one at all. It's one of the easiest spreads to make. So just bring that in there like that. We want to take some garlic powder, and we want about a teaspoon of garlic powder in there. Well, we're going to blend that in. Now this lends itself, I'm going to go in with a little bit of pepper as well actually. This lends itself to being left stood for about half an hour because the flavours meld from the powdered garlic. That's it. That's all we need to do on that one. And then all we're going to do is stir our chives through there. So in we go. Now you could do this with green onions as well. It'll work. And you've got this lovely chive and garlic spread. That looks sensational. It smells really nice actually. Really, really nice. Okay, let's just serve it up. So all we're doing is blobbing that in there, and that's our wonderful chive and garlic spread. Look at that. So all you need to do now is just actually whiz that round on there with a spoon, so and drizzle on some olive oil, and the olive oil will sit on the top. So just take a little bit of olive oil and just put that round there like that, and run it over like that so it goes in all the crevices. And look at that. That is our chive and garlic spread. All we need to do is serve it up. Now you serve it up with whatever you want, you know. You serve it up with crackers, you serve it up with veg, anything you fancy. So there we are, our chive and garlic spread. How easy is that? And there we have it. As easy as that. Chive and garlic spread. Look at that. That is fantastic. There you go. Chive and garlic spread. Made so easy. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.